Okay, yes, we're here. It's Friday, the last day of official math. Next week we'll be doing some celebrations with you guys. Hope you're enjoying your Friday morning. I know I am. Hey, grades are due today. Hope you're ready. Hope we got them all done. I hope I'm ready. Wow. We'll be there. We'll be ready to go. I promise, okay? All right, here we go. We're going to do review lesson 15, coordinate grid, okay? Questions 1, 3, and 5. Let's start with 1, okay? Now I did a modified grid. Instead of putting all the grids, I'm just going to use the number hash lines, okay? So there it is, 9. It wants me to go out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put the coordinate grids on the board real quick, just to make it easy. So remember, 9 and 6, those are the ordered pairs. 1 and 7, and 3 and 1. Just 3? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay, and up to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is right there. Put it on, okay? Next one is 1, just 1, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 1. There it is. Okay, next one, it says 3. 1, 2, 3, and then up to 1. So just a little guy, right? 3, 1. And there we go, okay? So I'm going to draw it out, and yours might look different than mine, but it is a triangle. 3 of them? Yeah, it's a triangle. There's my answer. Not too bad. Okay, next one. Okay, so that takes care of question 1, and all of these guys right here. So let's do the next one. Question 3. It's got 4 of them. 4. Huh. This is like a huge hint, don't you think? 10, 10 and 2, and 10 and 10, and 2 and 2. Okay, let's do 2 and 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and over 2. Plot a point. Okay, next one. That one's done. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up 2. Okay, weird. Okay, next one. That takes care of that. 10 and 10. So we're out here. 10 and up 10. So there it is. Hey, I'm getting the idea of this. And then the last one, of course, is 2 and 2, which is right there. And then I'm just going to fill it in. What do you see? That's right. It's a square. Well, mine's not very square, but yours is going to end up like a square because they actually drew it for you, right? It's a square. Absolutely a square, okay? Because the distances from here to here is the same as the distance from here to here. There we go. That's the dead giveaway, okay? Now we're going to look at question 5. Okay, it says, a football field is a rectangular measuring 300 feet by 160 feet. Each unit on a coordinate grid represents 1 foot. 0, 0, and 0, 160 are 2 of the coordinates of the football drawn on the grid. What are the coordinates of the other 2 vertices? Okay, so it's saying 300 feet. Okay, so you say, what are their 2? Well, if I'm looking at this as a football field, well, this is obviously one of the corners. So we have 0 and 0. 0 is one of them, and you go out and you go, well, it's 300 feet this way. Okay, so 300 feet. Then it says another one is this way is let's see. I think you go, because this way is 300 feet and this one's 160. So you go 0 and 160. So you got that one, and I think they already told us that one, right? 0, 160, good. And then they've got 0, 0. We got it. So the last one is way over here at 300, and it goes up to 360, and there it is. So I've got 360 all the way over and up to 160, yeah. So there it is. That's the other point. So we've got that, and we've got this one. So we've got the 2 points are 300 and 0, and 360 and 160 right there, okay? Those are the ones we have left. Okay, very good. Okay, there's the answers for today. We're right on time, right on schedule. Okay, get ready for our Friday math. Okay, see you in a second. Told you just a second, right? Okay, here we go. It's lesson 16, area of a polygon. Okay? Something that you're very familiar with is knowing the formula for area, which is length times width, right? We're just looking for 2 points of reference to get our square, the area, the square, right? So remember in answers, right? Area squared, okay? So length times width. We're used to seeing this in rectangles and squares and finding length times width. In fact, you guys did volume this year, so you're very familiar with it, right? You're not looking for that chicken foot, you're just looking for the L shape, right? Loser, no, just kidding. No, okay? The length times the width, okay? That's what we're looking for, okay? But now they're going to switch it to trying to find that same area, but we're going to talking about a parallelogram, okay? So I tried to draw one pretty good. I'm looking at this line, not that square one, okay? And it's a parallelogram, okay? As you can see, there's going to be lengths and widths, but we got to figure it out. Now the way to do it is you're going to take this spot right here and cut it off. You take that little triangle and you're going to move it. That's it. You take that little triangle and in your mind you're going to move it and slap it on right here. What did you just make? That's right. You just made yourself a rectangle. Okay? With the rectangle, can you find length times width? Yes. They're going to give you this measurement right here. That's going to be your width of it. The length is going to be where you tag this in and this on. But believe it or not, it's already here. It's already here. So you're just looking for just two numbers. And they're going to give you those two numbers. But you got to remember that's what you're doing in your mind. They're going to give it away. They really are. Okay? Now if you're using a measuring tape, that type of thing, you'd have to find it for yourself and move things around. But in this case, yeah, it already has this. And if they give you this one, yeah, there you go. We've made ourselves that nice rectangle. Okay? That's what we're shooting for today. Is that, okay? You're going to break it up and you're trying to find how many squares are in there. That's what you do with normal, right? Their area. You're just looking for that number, and once you find those two numbers, you're going to multiply them together. Okay? So let's imagine that it looks like this, that we've just figured it out. It says the base, B, equals 12. Okay? So we know B is a combination of a couple of things, okay? B is the surface area squared, square feet, okay? It's already got an answer for it, 12 square feet. So you're going to back it up a little bit. Well, how did I get there, right? Say, well, what was it? You say, okay, I'm looking for a couple of things, okay? So you know that this right here represents 12, okay? What if they gave you the 12, and then they gave you this, and it's 5? What do you do? Oh, that's right. You're going to commute this guy over here and put him here, but in reality, all you can do is take these two numbers. 12 times 5 is, yeah, that's it, 60. It's not easy, you guys. It really is. For Friday math, the last math lesson is one of the easiest ones of the year. It really is. You're just going to move them around because they're going to give you those answers. Now remember, sometimes they'll give you the answer and you have to work backwards. Remember, you do some division work. For the most part, you should be able to rock this, right? Some of them are done in fractions, some of them are done in decimal. You should be able to do this no sweat. If you have any questions or concerns, you're welcome to always send me an email or send me a message in any way. Okay, good luck out there. This is really fun stuff. You say, this is 6th grade? Yeah, you're gonna just do awesome in 6th grade. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.